Good morning, everybody. Here I am wrapping up our Quebec trip that we just completed in March. I've broken it up into two parts. This is the section on Magog, so I hope you enjoy it and you can derive some pleasure out of it and plan a trip up there on your way to Quebec City like we did. Here we are up in Magog, Quebec. We just crossed the border. We're staying at a B&B.
It's a lovely little place.
Cute little place. We have the place to ourselves too. And we have a chef, gourmet chef, going to cook us breakfast in the morning. So we're going to go out and get something to eat, have a beer. Here we are upstairs in the bed and breakfast in Magog. We're going to go out exploring now. Carol wanted me to take some video because it's really kind of a cute place. So we're gonna go downstairs. There's the light on. Oh, and this. Okay.
The light automatically goes low.
Oh, okay.
That's what's been happening.
All right. So you ready?
I'm ready.
I'll follow you down. Yeah, so here we go. We'll leave in. Yep, so there's 5 rooms. Is it this way? Oh yeah, it's up that way. Yeah.
What's that?
Oh. You can leave a note if you want.
Don't do that going down the stairs, okay?
No, I won't. Creepy stairs. I love it. Okay, straight up. Yeah.
I don't want to open the door on you.
Yeah. Wow. Anyway, it's a cool place. Have a good night here. Well, it's not Paris, but it's Magog.
Horrible.
And we drove here, so Paris would have been too much to fly to. And not enough time. So that's it. For our Airbnb. Well, actually it's not. It's a bed and breakfast. And there's our car. Carol, what do you want to say?
You need to get you. Oh. I don't want to say anything. This is adorable.
That's the
I
car.
love it.
That's the car right there.
I'm doing anything.
Okay.
I came here
Look at the birds in here.
in the basket.
In the basket, yeah.
Oh wow. Tweety bird.
I get some in this basket and some in the other one up there. Those are the kind of birds. But they're all from Australia. It's the one between the one is from Mozambique.
Oh
Yellow
yeah?
one over here.
A small
Small one.
Gorgeous.
Yellow and green kind of. It's hiding sometimes. The one on the hoop in the corner
yes.
is from Cuba.
Yes.
So it's a Cuban
Yeah.
singer and the little
Cute.
ants.
All the way up in Quebec. Well, let me take a look at these. Are there babies in here?
Yeah, in the basket up there.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
So when did they hatch? They have eggs. And when
It's
did,
two times a year.
2 times a year?
Yeah, this is the second time for me that I had like eggs that were viable.
Viable.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
see the mother there, she's there looking at the eggs. She's in the
for watching and see you again soon.